Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever opened your old Flutter project, looked at the code and felt confused? You scroll, you read, and you think, what is happening here? And then you realize, you wrote this. That feeling? That's not lack of skill. That's lack of clean structure. Today, I'll show you how to write Flutter code that stays readable even after 6 months. No theory, no heavy rules, just practical habits. Principle 1. Keep your build method small. If your build method looks like a jungle, it's already a problem. When one screen has too much UI in one place, your brain gets tired. Instead, break your UI into small widgets. Each piece separate, each piece focused. When your build method is small, your screen reads like a story, and clean code should feel like reading a story. If build feels heavy, split it. Principle 2. Use names that make sense. Naming creates confusion. If someone sees a variable called D or L, or just list, what does that even mean? Your code should read like English. Instead of mystery names, use names that explain intention. When someone reads your code without you explaining anything, and they understand it, that's clean code. If you ever have to explain a variable name, rename it. Principle 3. Separate UI from logic. This is a very common mistake. We write everything inside the button. Network call, state update, error handling. But your button is not supposed to run the world. UI should show things. Logic should handle things. When we separate responsibilities, everything becomes easier. Testing becomes easier. Debugging becomes easier. Scaling becomes easier. When everything is mixed, everything becomes messy. Keep roles clear. Principle 4. Use const whenever possible. This looks small, but it's powerful. When we mark widgets as constant, Flutter knows they don't need to rebuild again and again. It improves performance quietly. You won't see fireworks. But your app becomes more stable. Clean code is not just readable, it's smart. Principle 5. Don't overcomplicate folder structure. This one hurts a lot of developers. They copy big company architecture for a small app, and suddenly they have 40 folders for 3 screens. Keep it simple. If your structure helps you move faster, it's good. If it confuses you, it's bad. Structure should support your growth, not slow you down. Be practical. Principle 6. Stop writing useless comments. The code already says that. Instead of comments, write better names. Comments explain why. Code explains what. Principle 7, the 6-month rule. Here's the real test of clean code. After writing a feature, ask yourself, if I open this project after 6 months, will I understand it in 1 minute? If yes, that's good. If no, refactor now. Because the person who will suffer later is you and your team. Clean code is not about impressing others. It's about respecting your future self. If this helped you, let me know in comments below. See you in the next one.